Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change presentation settings in Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to customize how respondents interact with your form, whether you want to show a progress bar, shuffle questions, or add a personalized thank you message. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials if you haven't already. This will take you directly to your Google Forms dashboard where all your forms are stored and ready to be edited. Now that you're in your Google Forms dashboard, look for the Recent Forms section. This displays all the forms you've been working on lately. Click on the form where you want to change the presentation settings. This will open up the form editor, giving you full access to all customization options. In the top toolbar of your form editor, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all the magic happens for controlling how your form behaves and appears to respondents. It's a crucial section for fine-tuning the user experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Presentation tab. Click the arrow beside it to expand and reveal all the available presentation settings. This section gives you control over various elements that affect how your form is displayed and how respondents progress through it. If you want to show a progress bar to your respondents, simply toggle it on. This is particularly useful for longer forms as it lets people know how much they've completed and how much is left, which can reduce drop-off rates and keep them engaged. Next, if you'd like to shuffle the question order, toggle that option on. This feature is especially helpful for quizzes or surveys where you want to prevent respondents from sharing answers in a specific sequence. Now, if you want to add a confirmation message, click Edit. This opens up a text field where you can type your personalized message. For example, you might write something like, "Thank you for your submission, we've received your response." Once you've crafted your message, click Save. This adds a professional touch and reassures respondents that their submission went through successfully. If you want to show a link that allows respondents to submit another response, go ahead and toggle that on. This is useful for forms that people might need to fill out multiple times, like event registrations or feedback forms. You also have the option to let respondents view a results summary after they submit. If you want this feature enabled, toggle it on. It's a great way to provide transparency, especially for surveys where people might be curious about how others responded. Finally, if you want to disable autosave for all respondents, toggle that option on. Keep in mind, this means their progress won't be saved automatically if they navigate away from the form, so use this feature carefully depending on your form's purpose. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the presentation settings in your Google form to create a better, more tailored experience for your respondents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.